Let's stop yapping and let's get scrappin. Woo! Yeah! Quiet in the back, please. Trying to make a video here. Got little butchers in here, quick. This box is crap. Shame. Jump out here, cut some cords quick. Cords. Better than nothing. Well, you guys didn't see, but I picked up a washing machine and a microwave earlier. It's just as I came out of my flat, I didn't have the camera set up, so I got that. That's a washing machine, a microwave, and an assortment of other bits and pieces. And I've just got a few cords. Towards. Turn around, just spotted a microwave on the driveway. Might have to cover the camera up for this one, but I'm just going to shoot back. See if I can get it. Hey mate, you alright? You got any scrap you want taken away? Like that microwave out there or something?
Yeah,
yeah, is that right, yeah?
Yeah, there's a metal tool there as well.
Yeah, whatever's metal here, I'll take it if you want. Yeah? Sound man, cheers. Alright buddy, I'll just take them bits of scrap there. I'll take that for him. Metal's metal. Do him a favour. But fits. Boom. I might have saw something to cut the doors up. I swear I saw a washing machine or something. Well, we're at the fridge fiasco. Would you believe it? There's a fridge. I'm just going to cut the cord off this one. Try not to make any noise. What else you got? A couple of bits of metal up there. Chuck them in there. The rest is crap. Just rubbish. Oh man, I wish I could take fridges, I'd be a blinking millionaire. We got one. We've got an oven. bloody cords in that. Get this sorted out fast. Oh yes. Oh yes. Strip a little bit of cord, isn't it? That's what I like to see. Oh. Yeah. Yes, mate. Boom. I want to go back down there. I think there's a few more down there. No. Would you Adam and Eve it? I've just driven down there and now there's a radiator. I'll take a radiator. Hell yeah. I'll take a big fat heavy radiator. Oh, that's really big fat heavy. Yeah. Oh, it's a couple £100 on its own. Right. Got motors. Motors. Copper. More copper. Aluminium. I'll slide that in there by any chance. Yes, your beauty. It's weird. I literally just drove down here a minute ago and that wasn't there. There's a heater guy there. He's just put that out. It's been up and down a little street. There's some bits and pieces up there look quite interesting. Loads of fridges. I'm just going to see what cords I can snip. And there was a door I might knock on. Well, I'll be damned. I got a washing machine and a microwave here yesterday. Just like today, I'm getting a ladder. Take a ladder. Do a ladder. Stay. Take a ladder. Yeah. I've spent most of my time reversing. Might as well just reverse around the trail, whatever I'm calling it. That thing where I go out looking for scrap. Towards. I'm in the precinct during the day. I just want to see what's it like. What is it like around here during the day? jumping any bins or nothing, though. Not really. Let's get out, take a quick gander. Goosey gander won't hurt, will it? Some dude there with Mercedes. Goosey, goosey gander. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, la 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 la. VHSs and such. There's another Christmas tree in here. Let's go and see what the honey hole has to offer. Haven't been there in a couple of days, so I'll pop in there quick. Then I'm gonna have to go home, have some lunch. I need a wee. My little squirrel can't hold it anymore. So yeah, let's go and see what the honey hole's got to offer. We've got some bit of action going on down here. Let's have a look. Fridge is still there. I can see a metal chair. No big fat washing machines. It's a bit of a letdown. It's a real letdown there. Oh, there's an iron board. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see some stuff here. It's alright. Got some cordage. Big bit of cordage. Oh, definitely take some dumbbells. Shimon. Tie rod in. Take that. Oh yeah, got some goods here. All kinds of goodies. Honey hole once again. Yeah. I love the honey hole. Plus, there's loads of stuff down here. All sorts of crap. Try and leave it better than I found it and all that. Like that. Take a bit of scrap. Yeah. I see more cords. And a hoover. More metal. Yes. Kind of done with hoovers, to be honest with you. This is recording, so I didn't bother to check. All sorts of stuff here. Do I want that Hoover or not? Not yet. Yeah, it's quite a cool painting, that. Just leave it like that on the floor. Record on the printer. What is that down there? Even worth bothering with. Just do my head in. That is. I love the honey hole. I love it. Paint I could do without. No cord on that fat ass TV. Bit of metal here. Boom. Try and pull this back. Leave it back there what I found it. Oh, hello. How you doing? Ah, the honey hole. And better than what I found it with some snips. Pocket. Tell everything. Take cord. Wow. Joking me. So I'm cleaning these streets up. One street at a time then. crazy. Right. Hell happened to that? It's not fucking van. Kind of crazy. I need a wee bad. Yes, I do. Ooh. Enough bloody noise about it. That's nothing unusual though, is it? I mean, I am Vandal, the noisy fox after all. A bit more noise, just for the fun of it. Bloody noisy fox. I growl like a bear sometimes. It's just so annoying. Just annoying myself. Oh, it fits. Roger. You wouldn't. Bloody things. How do you get these cords weighed in? I've got loads. Literally kilos of the stuff. Nice little dumbbells there. Is that brass? Don't think it is. Oh. Now I need to sort this out. Just gonna have a little mooch around here again. There's people here. Is that a fridge I see? Sure as hell is. The Did I have the call of that already though? I can't remember. I don't think I did. Couple of weirdos over there. Oh, nice smell of weed. I like it. Must have had that already. That's a bit alright, can't say that. No cord. Yeah. Stay, microwave. Stay. Oh, shut up, lots. Right. Take me home, country road, to a place where I get stoned. Woo! Alright, see you guys later. The van's full. If it's not too cold, I'm gonna nip out on the bike. Get on the bike. I know some of the people, some of my subscribers don't like the bike, they hate the bike. They're like, what's the point? But to me, it's just fun, and I enjoy it, and when I go out, I'll record it. Because that's the real secret to getting the good stuff. You want to get yourself a bicycle, never mind a little car. Ain't got any bloody lights on here. Did you? Right, catch you guys later. What up, Vandals? It's about 45 minutes to an hour.
Right to stay on Woods Hill and turn right onto Mousehole Lane.
Okay, cool. After what you just saw, I just got a message on Facebook. Can you pick up 2 washing machines? I'm like, yeah.
Mousehole Lane.
Right now. She said, when can you pick them up? I said, when would you like me to pick them up? Thinking she was just going to give me a little tickle. And she was like, come and get them. I was like, whoa! She said, they're out in the street. I said, what? No! Don't put them out in the street. But, so, this is a rescue mission.
Continue for 1 mile.
Shut up! And, yeah, 2 washing machines, she said. I've got a funny feeling it'll be a washing machine and a dryer, but if it's 2 washing machines... Yeah. Right. Onward. On the road again. I can't wait to get out on the road again. Where I find making love is music with my friends. I can't wait to get up on that road again. Ow! I'm bored. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about how we used to be when we were younger and free. They say the time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello. Don't tell me there's another one. How many bloody songs have I got to sing? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening to all? I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with you. There's a train. Train? I don't see no train. Well, allegedly it's down here. He's gonna let me go. Thank you. Oh, is that then there?
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, there. It's handy. Right there. Boom. They look like washing machines. See them? Right, I'm just going to take the camera off for this. Boom! 2 more washing machines just picked up. One of them, I reckon one of them's got a copper motor in it. So that's a bonus. Oh, that's been a great day. Whew. Good times. Right, the van's full. All I've got room for is smalls. I mean, I could make more room, but that means work. And I want to chill out. So we'll call it that for this one, I think. Unless I see anything else on the way back. Some crazy guy in his old JDN motor. It's lucky it's an old JDN motor, because if it was a BMW I was getting out. Quiet in the back, please. I'm trying to make a bloody video up here. Thank you. Right guys, that is it for this one now. Oh, the COVID. I'm alright. Where the hell am I going? What? Where am I? Where am I? I'm lost there! Alright, just trying not to hit anything. I ain't got a clue where I'm going here. Alright, catch you guys later. Love yous. Hope you're having a good 2021. Mine's better. Mine's a lot better. I'm enjoying it now. Started with a bang, didn't it? Alright guys. See you in the next video. Probably tomorrow when I go and weigh this lot in. Weighed and paid. I don't know where we are, 5, 6, don't know. See you later guys.